back, mate. Bring it back. Yeah, bring it back! Woo! What do you reckon, guys? Is it okay to wear budgie smugglers out and about town?
No.
Yeah?
No.
Yeah, we've got a dude here who says yes. Yes.
He's blind.
Actually, the man who's about to put you in the paddy wagon's just coming back now. Is it public indecency?
It certainly is indecent.
Mate, I just cut back here, there's some police there, and I've just been told by the police right now outside here along the Esplanade that whilst it's not indecent exposure, because it is very, very indecent, and I've just been given the official police order to go to the gym more often. Mate, the modesty potato has come in handy, let me tell you, because at the moment I am losing courage very fast. One girl squealed and ran away from the counter. Thank you. Absolutely. Blow the horn, bring back the budgie! Bring back the budgie smuggler! The budgie smuggler is Australian icon. It need not die out. Don't let it go extinct. I hear you, brother. Bring it back. We are your budgie smugglers with pride.
I just don't want to speak.
Yeah, go on, do
You wear budgie smugglers, mate?
Yeah, they're
Gonna see the
Budgie again. Bring back the budgie.
That's it. Come on, lads. Budgies forever.
Woo!
Budgies forever, that's a good one, Marty.
I think you found a supporter there, mate.
I think I have.
Have we got video footage of the one supporter in Cairns?
It's a good look, isn't it?
It's a fabulous look, love. It's just wonderful.
If there's nothing that says sexy like a tubby man in budgie smugglers.
Yeah, this is true.
Yeah.
You've hit the nail right on the head. You have.
Hey, is it acceptable, do you think?
Male.
What he's wearing, is it acceptable?
Is it acceptable? Yeah? The cans, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you
Yeah,
wouldn't...
It's a bloody hot day, let him wear it.
It's exactly right. Exactly right. You
Proud of you.
You rule, darling. What about you blokes? Do you wear the budgie smugglers? No? You don't do the swimming trunks?
Sorry? Bring back the wedgie.
Bring back the budgie! The budgie smugglers! Bring back the budgie smugglers! It's bloody hot in this town. We should be able to wear as little as we want.
That's
That's it!
Brother man.
And your big dog.
Bring it back! Bring back the budgie! Very solid man that has just walked up to me. I believe he's a Cairns Central security guard, and I have a feeling that he's going to stop me from entering into the Cairns Central. Mate, if I walk in, can I go in? He's shaking his head at me. It's unacceptable to wear a budgie smuggler inside. Okay, I'm getting the stony look of silence. Let's sing the song anyway. Let's do it. 5 minutes.
See the budgie again. Bring back the budgie.
Bring back the budgie.
Kicked away, mate. Kicked out.
Bring back the budgie. Mate, I've actually left because the security guards scared them off and I'm being escorted off.
Is that acceptable?
Yes, I am. Yeah. No, look, you know, I think we've found the point where wearing budgie smugglers has become unacceptable.
It comes up
4
to here.
streets back. 4 streets back from the Esplanade is unacceptable. Any time before this to the Esplanade is green zone. You can wear the budgie there. You know, the budgie smugglers are actually getting a lot more support than I thought it would. The older guys, I say 35 plus, really digging it, and I think they like seeing a younger bloke wearing them. A lot of the girls, not a big fan. Apparently I've been told I have a muffin top. Got a bit of a long buttocks, and I've had a few ladies say that would be nice on someone else. So, No, look, you know what, I'm willing to put my body on the line for the budgie because it's such a great icon of Australia. But I've actually walked back into where it all started yesterday. I came into the Billabong shop and bought some Budgie Smugglers, and I've managed to grab one of the lovely ladies, Sarah, who's working here. I'm going to ask a few questions. Are you selling lots of Budgie Smugglers?
Yes, definitely still selling a lot of the Budgie Smugglers.
And who buys them mostly?
Generally the older males and a lot of the Japanese customers to wear under their boardies. They haven't caught on to the nothing under the boardies scene yet.
Okay, and what about the Budgie Smuggler? Look, as a whole, you can look down, it's okay. Would you think this is acceptable in the local area?
In the general public, no. But if you're sticking to the lagoon and the beach, hey, no problems.
Well, there you go. We got it from the lady who retails. Apparently, if you're on the sand or in the lagoon, it's okay to Budgie smuggle.